guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time, guys, is the number 68. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, if you are currently building this dollhouse, make sure to tell me about it down in the comments below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. And okay, guys, so now we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 68. If you would like to see the previous 67, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the in cards in the end of the video. And moseying on down, guys, we see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's continue on. And here it says, a plaza very animated or very lively. So here it shows a miniature plaza or park during the Victorian age. Here we have a vendor with different fruit, and you have an elderly sales lady, and you have like a middle-aged woman there with a basket, a man there in the background. It's very cool. And it's really neat because you have all of these different knickknacks. You have the umbrellas for the vendors. Then you have this guy with a music box. These kids like dancing, playing. And then there's like a monkey there. And here, guys, it points out all the different things in this plaza here, which is very cool. And here it talks about miniature clocks. And guys, in one of the recent unboxings in this collection, we unboxed a miniature clock. And it was really cool. It looked very similar to this one, only it was like green. So if you want to see that, guys, make sure to check out the playlist in the in cards in the end of the video. And here it shows some miniature grandfather clocks, which is pretty cool. And here it teaches you how to make spatulas for your dollhouse kitchen. It tells you all of the materials that you'll need as well as the tools you'll need to make it. And then it walks you through step by step of how to do it. And guys, no worries, as I always say with this collection, Once we unbox the entire collection, guys, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this unboxing, if you like this dollhouse, make sure to leave a like down below. And well, let's continue on. Here it talks about the different parks. And this is really a great painting. It's from 1862. Very nice. Let's continue on. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it complete. And guys, this collection, of course, as I said before, is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And now it's time, guys, to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so now it's time to unbox our new additions to our dollhouse. We have some cheese, some beer it seems, and a plate of fruit. So let's go ahead and let's open this now. Boom. Got it open. So let's get the other side too. There. Okay, let's just take them out. And okay guys, so first up we have the cheese, which you can see there. Looks really cool. It really does look like cheese, which is crazy because it's so tiny. And it's on like a porcelain plate, which is just white. That's really awesome. And then next we have this bottle of beer. It's really cool. It's crazy to see it so tiny. And then you have like a goldish cap on the top. here's the bottom. Well, I'm gonna put that down here. And okay guys, then we have a plate of fruit. Let me see if I can get it there. We have it in focus. So we have some grapes, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. I guess it's mango, and then apples and some plums there on the side. And again, they're on this like white porcelain plate. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? I think it's pretty cool. It's very detailed and it's neat just to have something like this for the dollhouse. And well, let me just put this back down here. And well, you guys tell me, which one of these do you like the most? Do you like the cheese, the beer, or the plate of fruit the best? I really think that the plate of fruit is pretty impressive, but the cheese is pretty cool too, and the beer is just kind of funny. And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to go on over and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I will have those linked, of course, down in the description below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and live streams as well, which I'm a part of. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.